But what this says at the end of the day is State of Minnesota, District Court, 8th Judicial District, Minnesota. I was right, MN is Minnesota. Nick Rekieta, blah, blah, blah. Complaint submits this complaint to the court. It states that there is a probable cause to believe defendant committed the following offenses. Charges, drugs, 1, 2, and 3. Charges, drugs, second degree, possess 25 grams or more of cocaine or methamphetamine. I don't know which. Minnesota statutes reference 152.022.2A1. And then the maximum sentence is 25 years or $500,000 or both. The offense level is felony. Charge description: on or about May 3rd, 2024, in Minnesota, defendant possessed one or more mixtures of a total weight of 25 grams or more or more containing cocaine, a Schedule II controlled substance. Defendant possessed over 25 grams. Count 2, charge possesses ammo, any firearm user of controlled substance. The statute is 624.713.110.3. Maximum sentence is 364 days or $3,000 fine or both. Offense is a gross misdemeanor. A charge description: on or about May 23rd, 2024, in Minnesota, a user of any controlled substance unlawfully possessed ammunition, a pistol or semi-automatic military-style assault weapon, or any other firearm. And count number 3 is charge of endangered child permit, present sale / post continued substance G, with Minnesota statute 609.378.1B2. Man, it has been a while since I've been reading like this kind of paperwork. Jeez. Charge description: on or about May 23rd, 2024, in the county blah blah blah, Minnesota, who is a parent, legal guardian, or caretaker endangers the child's person or health by knowingly causing or permitting the child to be present where any person is possessing a controlled substance in violation of Minnesota statutes. The complainant states that the following facts establish probable cause. Your complaint is licensed peace officers employed by the county sheriff's office in this capacity. Your complainant believes the following to be true and correct. On May 23rd, 2024, at approximately 9:13 a.m., a search warrant was executed at the address, and I'm going to skip through the address. Nick Rekieta was stopped by law enforcement. Upon knocking on the door, a juvenile female opened the door and wouldn't let them in. Nick Rekieta would not provide the door code to enter the residence. Law enforcement entered the home utilizing a door ram. Upon entry, law enforcement located his wife and April Imholt, and 4 juveniles were also in the home. Officers noted the home was extremely cluttered. There were clothes everywhere, dirty dishes, dust, and all over dirty home. Nick Rekieta returned to the home with law enforcement. He demanded a copy of the search warrant. When given a copy, he looked at it and threw it on the ground. During the search, law enforcement located the following in the master bedroom. So, did Nick get swatted? No, he did not. Apparently, he's been swatted in the past, though. But not this time. This time, he got tattled on by his own church. No, because it's not a false call, and no, because they knocked, and he refused them entry. SWAT don't knock. During the search, law enforcement located the following in the master bedroom. The following items were located in the master bedroom near the nightstand: yellow snort tube, positive for cocaine; black vial with white substance inside that field tested positive for cocaine and weighed 2.2 grams. 2 credit cards listed to April. A .22 caliber spent shell castings on the floor of the nightstand of the master bedroom. The following item was located under the bed What? What do you want from me, Puck? Can I take that one? Okay. Is that the one you picked? Okay. No, you coming back? Alright. Want that one? Alright. Following item was located underneath the bed in the master bedroom. A Sig Saucer AR with several magazines and loose ammunition, serial number 20G002638. Stop! You're being a jerk. Following item was located in the master bedroom dresser, a glass container with metal filter and grinder, and glass container that tested field positive for cocaine. We do know that field testing can be a little bit loose, but yeah. The following items were located in a safe in the master bedroom: a bag with cards and dollar bills that field tested positive for cocaine, large corner cut baggie with white powder that field tested positive for cocaine and weighed 18.96 grams with packaging, small baggies that field tested positive for cocaine weighing 5.49 grams with packaging, 8 green-colored tablets that field tested positive for ketamine, a digital scale that field tested positive for cocaine, a metal pan with white powder on it that tested positive for cocaine, 2 snort tubes, 2 metal cutters. The snort tubes tested positive for cocaine. The following items were located in a safe in the master bedroom closet: $100 bill with white powder residue that field tested positive for cocaine. Really, dude? Are we doing this? Are we really going into the I was cutting cocaine with $100 bill? Really? That's a meme. Oh my god. Really? Bindle white bag with white powder substance that field tested positive for cocaine, cocaine scooper, 2 baggies within a baggie with a funnel, an unknown brown substance. Additional firearms and ammunition were located in the garage. The total amount of measurable cocaine in the master bedroom was 26.67 grams with packaging. Cocaine is a Schedule 2 controlled substance. Ketamine is a Scheduled 1 controlled substance. Detective Poplin with Rekieta outside of his residence. He was read his Miranda rights, and he agreed to speak with officers without counsel. Nick Rekieta indicated that he sleeps in the master bedroom with his wife. He indicated that April was at the home visiting. Nick Rekieta and Kyla were placed under arrest. While being placed under arrest, Detective Poplin noted several injuries on the arms of Nick Rekieta that appeared consistent with sores that are common with controlled substance use. This is what Mani was talking about on Friday. They were transported to jail. Kyla did not speak with officers. At the county jail, Nick Rekieta was again read his Miranda rights and agreed to speak with officers without an attorney. Nick refused to answer any questions regarding cocaine or other controlled substance use. Rekieta indicates that he lives in his residence, he stays in the master bedroom with his wife, and that April was a friend who was visiting and does not live at the residence. While being booked into jail, Kyla requested that her prescription medication be brought to her. Upon reviewing the prescription bottles for Kyla, they were brought to the jail. Jail staff found 2 unknown pills and gummies in one of the prescription bottles. These items did not match the prescription on the bottle. Please take notice pursuant Minnesota statute, paragraph 609.49. Additional intentional failure to appear for duly scheduled court appearances may result in additional criminal charges in addition to any arrest warrant that may otherwise be issued by the court. There's the signatures and the approvals. I also have this one as well, which I took directly myself, so I can you can verify that this was actually the case. There is the case number if you wanted to look it up for yourself. Well, this is public information, so nothing in here that even what is getting blocked off isn't really redacted. It's all public anyway. So we've got the felony, the gross misdemeanor, and another gross misdemeanor, and it matches everything that I've seen going around Twitter so far, so it doesn't look like there's a whole, despite what the Umbrella guy decided to say and what Nick Rekieta decided to say, there does not appear to be misinformation going around.